In this video, I will give you the demonstration for multithreading program which we have seen on whiteboard using a class thread. So already I have a project, and in that the class name is thread test. So we have seen two methods of writing a same program using a thread class. So I will show you the first method that I have shown on whiteboard using separate class for thread. Here I will write a class for thread and I will call it as my thread that will extends thread class. When we extend a class from thread class, then for providing multi-threaded functionality, we must override run method. So public void run, this is the run method. In this method, I will display hello in an infinite loop. While true, print hello. So after printing hello, I will increment I. So this will be keep on printing hello, and along with the counter that will start from 1, 2, 3, so on. So that's all. My thread class is ready. Now let us go to main method. Inside main method, I will create an object of my thread class. This will create an object of my thread class, and then I will start that thread. So start method will start a new thread by calling its run method. So this start method will in turn call run method. Then after this main method should also print world in an infinite loop. So it will print I along with world. So this will be keep on printing world with a counter I that will start from 1 onwards. So that's it. It's a very simple program for demonstrating multithreading. I will run the program and show you. See, it is printing hello and world sometimes. Few statements are for hello and few statements for world, and this program will never stop now. So two threads are running simultaneously. So actually they are taking their turn one by one and they are printing. When first thread, that is this hello thread, got the time, then it is printing hello, and when this main method got the time, it is printing world. It will never stop. I should stop it forcibly. Yes, it has stopped. Now let us go into the beginning and see what are the outputs they have generated. So this has started first hello, then world, then hello, then world. Yes, then hello multiple times, right? So we can't say how they will execute. We cannot say that it will print hello world time and world one time. No. It depends on how they are getting the execution time, CPU time. See, world is displayed many times here, then hello is displayed few times, then again world. So that's it. We cannot predict the behavior, how many times they will print alternatively. But definitely they will print alternatively one after another. This is how multithreading works. Now next method, I said that we can make our main application class itself extends thread. So I will modify this. I will not write down the code once again. I will copy paste. So for this application class, I will say extends thread. For providing multithreading functionality, I should override run method. So I will copy this run method and paste it here above the main method. Now I don't need this class, my thread class. I will remove it. Then which class is a thread now? Thread test is a class. So inside main method, instead of creating an object of my thread, I should create an object of thread test. Thread test, and remove this my from here, and this is also thread test. Constructor is also thread test. That's it. So the same class, application class, is having main method also, which is a static. It will be automatically called by JVM. Then it will create the object of the same class and it will call run method and run it as a thread. So this is the another style of writing the same program. If I run, I get the same thing, same results. Yes, same thing is happening. So either you can write them in two different classes or you can write them in a single class. It depends on the designing of your application. See, when you develop Java application, it may be having a lot of classes. Then how you want to arrange those classes, it depends on your design. So based on the design, you can follow any of these methods. So this is all about using thread class. Now next I have to show you how to use a runnable interface. So just minor changes we have to do inside the same program. It will be similar. So just observe the changes very carefully. So right now we have a program with just one single class, and that itself is an application class because it is having a main method as well as thread class. So I will change the same method. Instead of saying extends thread, I will say implements runnable. So this is first step. Now once I say implements runnable, whenever we implement any interface, then we must override all the methods. So what is the method available in this runnable interface? Only one method, that is run. It is already there. So I don't have to write this method. Now inside the main method, we were creating the object of this thread class and we were starting it. But now we cannot start it because it is not a thread. It is a runnable interface. So it is not a thread. I need a separate class for thread th assign new thread. I will create a new thread class. This should be T, capital T. To this thread class, I should give a object of thread test, then semicolon. So as I have explained on whiteboard that this th is a thread, right? And on that, who is sitting on it? This thread test is sitting on it. So if a thread runs, then this thread test will also run. So to this thread class constructor, we can provide a reference of a class which is implementing runnable interface. So yes, thread test is implementing runnable. Now who should start? T will not start, th will start. That's all. So once again, quickly I will show you what are the changes I have done. See, I made it like this. Then instead of t start, I have to say th start and I have to create an object of a thread. To that, I should attach the object of this class. So these are the changes we have to do. If I run this, yes, it works in a similar way. That's it. Now let us write another class. I have shown you with another class, right? So I will write one class named like myRunnable. This class will implement runnable interface. See, it is an error. If I take the cursor there, it says that myRunnable is not abstract and does not override abstract method run. So I must override run method here. Otherwise, I should make it as abstract. This class becomes abstract if it is not overriding methods of an interface. I will show you here. If I write abstract, this error will be gone. No, I want a concrete class. So I don't want abstract. Remove this one. So I should override run method, right? So where is run method? This method. I will copy it, cut it from here and paste it here. I want it inside the class. Now it is showing error here because I have written it as runnable. So I will remove this. See, observe the changes what I am making here. So you also do this, right? So that you get used to with this. So minimum changes in the code will change the style of code. So you don't have to type the whole thing once again if you are changing something. Then inside the main method, I should not create an object of a thread test. I should create the object of myRunnable. myRunnable, and this constructor name is also myRunnable. That's it. Everything is perfect. So what are the changes I have done? I have written a separate class myRunnable which implements runnable interface. Then inside that I have written that run method. When I wrote a thread class, that time I extended from thread and I wrote run method. So it's the same thing. Instead of extends thread, it is implements runnable. Then here I need a thread class because thread object is definitely required for running a separate thread. So to that I have attached the object of myRunnable. Then next is a start. So a few changes I have done and it has become a different style of program. I will run it now. Yes, I'm getting a similar behavior. I don't know whether this hello world are displayed in the same fashion or not. It may be different also, right? It depends time to time also. It may change. So it means the output may not be exactly same as the previous program that we wrote. The order in which how many times hello, how many times world is displayed, we don't know. So it will not stop. It is infinite loop. So I should stop it forcefully. I have stopped it. So that's all in this video. I have shown you how to achieve multi-threading using a thread class as well as a runnable interface. So practice this thing. This is very important. Write down the program, these same programs by yourself. If you want any help, if you are getting any errors, you can always ask a question under a question answer section inside this video. Below the video, you will find a tab for question and answer. So there you can ask a question there and you paste the program, complete program. Don't share the screenshot. You paste the program so that I can paste it here and run and check it. So I can easily or quickly I can reply you back. Otherwise, if you are sharing a screenshot, I have to read the program and find out an error. So this will save my time. So share the code, copy and paste the code like this. Copy this, copy it and paste it inside the message box of question and answer. That's all in this video.